You, you, and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted. Can you explain me how did you get promoted?
Simple, because I've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools, I'm being able to do all of that work single-handedly.
And who taught you all this?
This guy.
Hello, everybody. A warm welcome back to Be10x. 10x your productivity. I'm Antariksh and I'm back once again to another update from the AI world. And not just the AI world, it is ChatGPT that we're talking about. Because ChatGPT has just made another brilliant move and it has launched its custom instructions. Yup, custom instructions. It absolutely changes the game for if you're wanting that personalization, that unique flavor, that unique touch in your responses from ChatGPT. Custom instruction comes after the fact that ChatGPT has a pretty short memory. If you look at objectively, it often forgets who it's talking to. It often sort of doesn't answer the way you want to. It doesn't respond in the tone you want to, or that might help you. Like if you're wanting, you want to write emails, you want to write sales pitches, you want to draft some stuff here and there, and then you don't really want the language it's pitching you to in, then this is the best thing for you. It's obviously for people who have a business, who have a personal brand, who have a specific audience to cater to, because then you can put out custom instructions in that. Excuse me. So that is for one a very, very, very big and happening change. I'm going to teach you everything about it. I'm going to show an example of how you can actually use it in your. I'm sorry, I've got a bit of a sore throat going, but I am here nonetheless to provide this big update for you guys. So let's jump onto the screen. Hopefully, you guys can see it pretty well right here. Right, so as we are on the screen here, you can see this is the GPT Plus. As we keep going on it over and over again, all of these features that we discuss here, most of them are available only on GPT-4, GPT Plus. So you need to have a subscription to that. And as I keep saying, if it is really effective for you, if you really use ChatGPT in your daily life, in your work, it is worth the dollars that you need to pay. So I'm going to show you how to enable those custom instructions, because have you ever felt like ChatGPT just goes on and just forgets and just replies whatever it wants to? And don't get me wrong, it was always obviously pretty good, but this just takes it to another level. So you just open this right here, you see these three dots, and the easiest thing, there you go to custom instructions, right? So it tells us introducing blah 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 blah. So right, and this is the first question it asks: what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So thought starters, where you're based, what do you do for work, what are your hobbies, what subjects, what are some of the goals you have? So basically, if you have a business, something. So I'm going to take the sort of example of if you have a business for like people or kids or even adults who have an interest, who have a keen interest in sports. The business may be anything. It could be sports memorabilia collection, and you trade all of that. You've sports shoes, sports equipment. You sell maybe sports courses or something like that. But and you want people who can afford those, because it's not maybe like if we're talking here in India, so it's not like on a budget range of maybe 1,000, 2,000. Maybe it's a bit more, 5K, 10K, thereabouts. So what would you want to put in? I've copied a prompt and I'm going to paste it. People who have an interest in sports and have a discretionary income of more than 50,000 rupees post post their expenses. So obviously, some if it's going to cost you around 5,000, 6,000, someone who has only a discretionary income of 10,000, 20,000 is going to spend 6,000 on just one of this, 7,000 on just this. So that's you. And this is like, how do you like GPT to respond? So it sort of ranges from that scale of how formal to how casual. So that's how you could play around with it. How long do you want your responses? If you want them long, but like, how do you want it dressed? Do you want it point by point? Do you want tables? Do you prefer tables? Do you want it to give its opinion strongly on something that the data GPT has been trained? It's going to take a sort of a bias towards that. Or do you want it to be absolutely neutral? See, obviously, ChatGPT tries to be as neutral as possible, but if you sort of instruct it to strictly go towards the data it has been trained on, then it might start favoring a couple of things there and there. I would want it to be casual and talkative, or should we say conversational, but also keep it thought provoking, right? So it should sort of provoke at least a thought, an emotion. So yeah, That's it. So now we've set it, right? So there you go. Now it's going to take some time. Enable for new chats, of course. So what I'm just gonna start off with a very basic question. What do you suggest for my audience? Right? Let's see how it answers this. Sounds like you've there you go. There you go. So it has taken into consideration the custom instructions I gave it, and it is replying according to that. Sounds like you've got an audience that is both an interest in sports and a good chunk of discretionary income. That's a nice niche. Given their spending capacity and love for sports, here are a few suggestions. Sport gear reviews. They're probably be interested in high-end sports equipment, VIP experience, investing in sports, right? Premium streaming services, fantasy leagues, advanced analytics, health and fitness, sports nutrition. See how cool is that? Now imagine if you had no custom instructions. You would have gone and said, "What do you suggest for my audience?" It would have gone, "What audience? What audience are you talking about?" So, what? Right. So I'm just gonna ask it. What boozinesses do you reckon I should start without much money, keeping in mind the trends in my country, right? It'll understand India. India. Yeah. So let's see. Are launching in business in India, right? There you go. Wow. Wow. Drop shipping. E-commerce is booming. Start a drop shipping business. Focus on niche products. You give your audience interest in sports. Maybe focus on sports apparel and accessories. Digital marketing agency. As more business go online, you could offer specialized marketing for sports related businesses. Content creation. Given the rise of OTT platforms in YouTube, you could start a channel. Focus on sports analytics, reviews, or even training with your audience's interest. You could quickly monetize it. Consulting for fantasy sports, online coaching. With a focus on sports, you can offer specialized can. Now you can ask, can you give me some content ideas for see this is how easy it is. Instagram reels for a football page, right? So if you want a football page, absolutely, Instagram reels offer a fantastic way to engage with the audience. It's a big skill showcase, right? You could clip some dribbling, shooting, top moments, match predictions. Why, right? I want the content to be original and not clipped, right? So let's go. Let's tell it to stop generating this one. Start generating this one. I gotcha. Creating original content adds a unique flair and fosters better skill tutorials. Predict the game, fan chants, what's in my bag, spot the ball, freestyle challenges, mock commentary, right? And this is just like make a simple recipe, but but incorporate football into the process, like using okay. Let's dig a bit deeper, right? So get me a script for the eighth one, right? Let's see what it gets me a script for. Sure, looking with the twist, right? Kitchen counter, camera facing you. Hey, football fan, welcome back to your page. Ever wondered if football can do more than just hit the back of the net? But today we're making a power smoothie football style. Ingredients on the counter, yogurt, banana yogurts, right? I can't forget a football. You emptying ingredients into a clean cut open football. All right, let's start off by adding our fruits into the football. Yep, you heard me right. Into the football, you're storing the ingredients. Now give a good mix. And it's basically a recipe with the bowl being a football one. Remember to add some catchy upbeat music to keep the energy high. What do you think? Ready to shoot this reel? My goodness, it's even telling me to shoot this reel. So this is how cool this is, right? So this was just a kind of a quick roundup for how to use chat gpt, even with custom instructions. Now what you can do is, if you have a business or two here and there, you can just tell it to give it some specific instructions about your audience, and then it can generate whatever you want it for you. This is how cool custom instructions can be. This can be huge, not just for a business, but if you're wanting to write a very formal email, and you have a, or maybe let's keep things casual. If you have a birthday, if your boss is kind of a chill vibe, and you want to wish him on WhatsApp, and you've been in the space for 5-10 years, and you want to wish him a happy birthday, and it's you know something, his favorite tech company or tech movie or something, then you can say this is his favorite movie, it's his birthday. Keep it a bit casual, but also remember he's my boss. And then you can just maybe tell to write a birthday song, and then you can just, how cool with that? I'm sure your salary is going to be 10x within a year. But no, kidding. With that being said, how you could actually get your salary to be 10x? By upskilling yourself, by B10X's great workshop. All you need to do is you need to check the link down below. Once you go there, you'll be asked to sign up for a workshop, which is only for 9 rupees. What? Yep, I'm absolutely not kidding. It's just for 9 rupees. You sign up there, you give 2 hours of your time, and boom, you're upgraded in AI like never before. So don't forget to check that out. Also, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bells, because we are thoroughly active throughout the day on this YouTube channel to provide you the best AI learning experience. With that, thank you so much to everyone. Take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.